welcome to Survival Dads / Epic Medic. So today we're going to be taking a look at this. So this is the bottle shower, the emergency shower from a bottle. So the idea of this, I'll show you what it is. Basically it's this is the shower head attachment, and this is the 200mm tube, and here is the 350mm tube. So the idea of this basically is to turn a bottle of water into a emergency shower. So there's been a alarming increase in the number of acid and chemical attacks in the UK, and people obviously need to deal with this. Now the typical way this is dealt with, perhaps in an urban environment, is to use bottled water. So bottled water is pretty much everywhere, shops stock it, commuters carry it, things like that. So people will use bottles of water. The main problem is a lot of this water is actually being wasted, not actually going to the affected area, and the bottles run out quickly. So the idea of the bottle shower is to provide a small, lightweight, easily transportable and stored attachment that can turn any water bottle into an emergency shower. And I'm going to demonstrate that for you today. So a few specs on the bottle shower itself. So the bottle shower, compact head, so this one here is the shower head attachment. It can turn 1 litre of bottled water into the equivalent of 6 litres of flow time. So it doesn't obviously create more water, but what it does is it makes that flow a lot more efficiently by basically turning it into a shower. So that's really cool. So it is designed for any plastic bottle used in the UK pretty much up to 2 litres. So if you're using a smaller bottle like this, you simply use the smaller attachment. Or if you're using a larger 2 litre bottle, you can use this one. Basically this reaches to the bottom of the bottle. So I'll demonstrate its use. Okay, so you've come across your casualty. They have suffered a acid attack. First things first, obviously make sure the scene is safe and make sure that you are protected, so use PPE as necessary. Take a standard bottle of water, take the lid off, take your bottle shower attachment, simply place it in, push it in and twist, and it's ready to go. So I'll turn it upside. Also, you don't need to squeeze it or anything, all you do is turn it upside down. And hopefully you'll be able to see there, it's still running now. Nice fine mist attachment, can be directed and it still works as long as it's held somewhat upside down. So I'll let that run out. Directional, efficient flow rate. And it uses all the water in the bottle as well. So let it run out quickly. As you can see, it does last a long time, even as a small bottle such as this. Okay, when it runs out, all you do, grab it, twist it, discard the bottle, grab another one as necessary. So what I'll do is I'll actually refill the bottle and show you how fast it runs out without the attachment. Gone. So in this situation, you'll be scrounging around trying to find more bottles when really you should be helped in this casualty. Small and effective, suitable for civilian use, first responder, police, security, anything like that. So really simple, really effective. The bottle shower. Give a close-up view of it here. So you have 3 O-rings there to get a good seal. And these obviously start smaller and slowly build up to the widest size here, so it can accommodate a range of different size necked bottles. Really innovative. You're looking at about a £5 for this, so really not very expensive at all. I think this is a must for every urban first aid kit, nightclub, pub and police emergency services vehicle. Check it out, I'll put the link in the description below. And I'll see you soon. Stay safe out there.